How to learn fast for exams. Exams can be stressful, but they don't have to be. With the right preparation and mindset, you can ace your exams and achieve academic success. In this video, we're sharing 10 expert tips for exam preparation that will help you make the most of your study time and feel confident come test day. Tip number 1 is to start early. Don't wait until the last minute to start studying. Give yourself enough time to review all the material and to ask questions if you need clarification. The earlier you start, the less stress you'll feel in the long run. Tip number 2 is to make a study plan. Map out your study schedule and stick to it. Include time for breaks and leisure activities as well. A well-structured study plan will help you stay focused and motivated. Tip number 3 is to create a study space that is conducive to learning. Find a quiet, well-lit area with a comfortable chair and desk. Minimize distractions by putting away your phone and closing unnecessary tabs on your computer. Tip number 4 is to take breaks. Taking regular breaks will help you avoid burnout and refresh your mind. Get up, stretch, or go for a walk. It's also a good idea to vary your study activities to keep your mind engaged. Tip number 5 is to use study groups. Studying with others can be a great way to review material, ask questions, and get feedback. It can also help to build accountability and motivation. Tip number 6 is to teach someone else. Teaching someone else the material you're studying can help solidify your understanding and make the information easier to remember. Tip number 7 is to practice, practice, practice. Take practice exams, answer sample questions, and do sample problems. The more you practice, the more familiar you'll become with the types of questions that are likely to appear on the test. Tip number 8 is to get enough sleep. Sleep is essential for cognitive function and memory retention. Aim for at least 8 hours of sleep each night in the days leading up to the exam. Tip number 9 is to eat a healthy diet. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains will give you the. And finally, tip number 10 is to stay positive and confident. Believe in yourself and your ability to succeed. Visualize yourself doing well on the exam and stay focused on your goals. With these 10 tips for exam preparation, you'll be well on your way to acing your exams and achieving academic success. Remember, the key to success is to start early, stay organized, and stay positive. Good luck. Thanks for watching.